Now we are discussing about chemical business options. In that today we are discussing about toilet cleaner. Which is best toilet cleaner? List of the top 11 toilet cleaner brands in India are Harpic, Amazon brand Presto, Domex, Sanifresh, The Better Home, Kif, that is Sif, and Pidilite and Dettol. These are the best brands nowadays for toilet cleaning. And next point is what is the best way to clean a badly stained toilet? Hydrogen peroxide. Pour a half cup of hydrogen peroxide into the toilet and let it sit for 30 minutes. Use your toilet brush to scrub the stains and sprinkle of baking soda and scrub again if the stains persist. Turn on the water and flush away stains and germs. And the next point is it good to clean your toilet with vinegar? Vinegar is safe and milder than caustic cleaners designed for the toilet, and the commercial cleaning agents can eat away the good bacteria in your septic system. To safely and inexpensively clean your toilet bowls, pour a generous plug of vinegar followed by a heavy sprinkling of baking soda into the bowl. So basically baking soda is highly useful in toilet cleaning. And the next point is does baking soda and vinegar clean toilets? Baking soda and vinegar, when mixed together, can form a chemical reaction that looks sort of like an eruption. The chemical reaction can help clear your toilet and many pipe clogs that you might have. Next point is how do I clean my toilet naturally? Removing yellow rings, spots, stains from your toilet bowl. Fill a bowl with 1 cup of baking soda and slowly pour in 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Apply the paste to the yellow stains, rings, spots in your toilet using a toilet brush. Toilet brush. And next point is can I leave vinegar in toilet overnight? To clean your toilet with vinegar, pour a cup of vinegar in the toilet bowl and let it sit overnight. The next morning, sprinkle a little baking soda into the bowl, scrub and then flush clean. And next point is how do you remove urine scale from toilet? Vinegar acid in the evening. Pour half of bottle of vinegar essence into the toilet bowl and leave it to work overnight. The next morning you will be able to easily clean off any urine scales. You can also use this method to remove urine scale in the toilet pipe. And the next point is baking soda good for toilets? How to unclog your toilet with baking soda and vinegar? If the clog is minor, pour all of the baking soda measured into the toilet bowl. If the clog is severe, pour up to 1/2 cup of baking soda in the toilet. Remember to use equal parts of vinegar and baking soda. And next point is what are the 7 steps of cleaning toilets? Clean it often. Bathrooms are filled with germs and should always be cleaned once a week, especially your toilet. Use vinegar to clean. Reach for a toothbrush. Get the right brush. Keep disinfecting wipes on the toilet. Don't ignore the handle. Avoid carpets. This is the information regarding toilet cleaning. So it is also a good art for doing toilet cleaning. Suppose you are doing a toilet cleaning yourself, it will give a good experience to you what sort of chemicals and bleaching soda and vinegar, how to use, how much you can use also, you will get an idea then you can do comfortably for the time being. Wishing you all the best.